experiencing no sound or connection from your right AirPods 3 bud. This often stems from Bluetooth sync errors, interference, or minor wear. Common causes include Bluetooth synchronization issues, environmental interference, and minor physical wear on the earbuds. The core solution is a quick three-step process: reset, clean, and pair. This resolves most software-related glitches. Start with step 1, reset. Place both AirPods in their case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, and then reopen. This refreshes the connection. Next, step 2, clean. Visually inspect and gently clean your AirPods. Finally, if the issue persists, move to step 3, pair. First, reset your AirPods. Put both buds in the charging case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open. For a deeper reset, hold the setup button on the case for 15 seconds until the light flashes white. Next, clean your AirPods. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the buds and case. For stubborn grime, sparingly use 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. Finally, repair your AirPods. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, go to Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, then reopen the case near the device to reinitiate pairing. Ensure both buds are detected as a single device. If problems continue after these steps, consider using the Apple Support app for remote diagnostics.